Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have an Aviator 36 fully equipped commercial unit. So those of you guys that still have portables, we've made it financially available to you to be able to get into this beautiful, powerful truck mounted unit made by Blue Baron. We're 15 years manufacturing. We take a lot of pride in what we do. We've got a long list of testimonies and people that love what we've been doing for the industry. So as you see, the Aviator 36 just came out recently. It's got a full operational panel, a little bit lower than the other conventional units. It's got a 30-inch by 41-inch footprint. It's got the brackets here at the bottom for mounting. As you can see, it's a full operational panel. It's got your water inlet, your chemical feed for your gallon per hour feed for your chemical, your selector switch for your chemical, last step injection, and your pressure for your water system, your TAC and hour meter, as well as your vacuum for measuring HGs and vacuum lift for your system. Here's your high pressured out that goes to your wand, and then here's your bypass for heat control. It's also got a last step injection pump right on the side. It's an AR pump, 2500 psi. This unit is capable of over 2,000 pounds working pressure. Unlike other models that are slaved to the pressure rating of their heat exchangers because they're all copper, we don't have that problem. Our world famous Access Point heat exchangers are 3,500 pounds pressure rated, and the 3LR blower is basically 344 CFM. So this unit is just fully operational. You can see you've got the controls here, a mini module for your choke, your engine selection, you actually have your reset switch for your electrical as well as your electric start switch. Easy to get into. Look at this, all stainless steel braided hoses. There's nothing cheap here. There isn't any rubber hoses on this unit. Everything is stainless steel braided except for the inlet, of course, because this is a passive flow coming in, gravity feed from your water box going into your pump. But other than that, everything here on the water system is all stainless braided hose, 500 degrees pressure rated. 500 degrees tolerance and 3,000 pounds pressure rated will give you the best longevity of any unit priced, and it's similarly priced, because all of these other units are all using a cheap rubber, just a really poor quality constructed units out there that manufacturers are getting away with passing off as truck mounts. All stainless header, beautifully designed for longevity. Everything is stainless all the way to the bottom, stainless steel braided hoses, as well as stainless steel flex hose all the way to the heater, 3,500 pounds, again pressure rated, heavy duty car wash style fittings that are heavy duty for the industry, real beefy. They hold a lot of pressure, a lot of longevity. We have our connection that goes to your waste tank for your pressure relief, for your temperature relief, thermal relief. And the water box in the back, which is kind of positioned in a different way, gives you a different style look. The blue, the dark blue versus the black gives you that Blue Baron signature. But again, like I said, everything here is top quality. You've got a 1/4 plate frame, all laser cut, 30 inches by 41. So it's 30 inches across by 41 inches right to this pipe. This is just a beautifully laid out unit. All heavy duty industrial belts, very low wear. We're all belt driven, as you see in some of our videos. Mr. Blue Baron 1 shows why we stay away from direct drives, goes into a lot of explanation as to why we use the belt driven system. And for all those companies, years that they've been building truck mounts, they've always used belt driven, and that's why they become so successful, because they're the most reliable. In pressure, customers give results Great heat, great suction, easy to fix. Everything is straight up. All stainless header, powerful 22 horsepower, 670cc Predator engine, made by Honda. Fully operational panel. All of this is stainless. Look at this. There's no galvanized here. This is all stainless pipe coming out. We have instructions on here. And as you can see, you can get, like I said, there's a lot of room here to work on. These stainless steel braided hoses never go. They last forever. So as you can see, it's a beautifully laid out machine. And it's priced for you to be able to get rid of that portable and get into the commercial truck mounts. And we are here to help you out. And go to our website at truckmountstore.com and we'll help you out in getting a loan. And Click Lease that we use deals with, low FICO scores of, say, 480. And we've been able to get a lot of loans for people and help them get into their business. And today's economic times, you do not want to be in a heavy debt every month. So this is a really strategically priced unit. We're proud of what we've put together here. And call us today at 727-505-2989 or go to our store, truckmountstore.com. Thank you.